Ito na ang real test ng NLEX kontra sa SMB sa first game, and Robert Bolick start this game through a kick-out pass to Semerad for the 3-point shot. For SMB, they're playing Jeric as the point guard, pero so far okay naman yung ball distribution niya, kaso feel ko it will affect his scoring performance kung magta-transition siya into the point as he issued a pocket pass to George King 2 points. Again, here, siya yung mag-push ng tempo and another assist for him para sa layup ni CJ Perez. For NLEX naman, meron talagang possessions na para kay Winston, balance yung mga ginagawa nila, like hindi sila paulit-ulit, everybody happy. So pagpasok ni Junmar sa SMB, naging time naman to for NLEX to run. Berto mintes lang, pero ando naman si Bahio to clean it up. Here, another run for NLEX, LJ Gonzalez going all the way for the 2 points. Pero iba pa rin naman si Junmar pag dito nabibigyan sa ilalim with Kapulong on him 2 points. Sa second quarter, NLEX will push again. SMB has no defensive communication sa transition kasi silang lahat nag-crush lang sa paint eh. Kaya ito, libre si Bolick for the 3-point shot. Here, hindi nyo makikita si Junmar sa screen and Berto is confident to take this shot. Mentes lang. Kaso without their big man, Jones will get the offensive board and the second chance points. So, ang counter ng SMB is to play small. Tingnan nyo si kahilig na yung center dito eh. Pero butas naman sila sa half-court offense ng NLEX. Wala namang interior defense. Jones, again, tambak na yung SMB, tapos na-injury pa si Perez. Hanggang sa patuloy pa rin yung NLEX to play beautiful basketball. Alam nila paano mag-place ng floor. Winston, again, grabe yung init niya. Takeaways na tayo dito in this game. First, para sa NLEX, they're really showing us na big deal na sila ngayon. Almost a triple-double kay Bolick kasi yung system ni Alapag is siya talaga yung magta-thrive. Sabihin man natin 24 points si Winston, pero kasi yung pag-run ng offense binagay kay Bolick kaya nakaka-double digit palagi sa assist and plus 11 in fast break points yung NLEX. For SMB naman, it was only George King putting up the scoring, kaso yung 9 turnovers niya costs them a lot. And yung Jeric Ahamnisi usage, natatakot na yung mga tao na baka matulad to sa mga dumaang young stars sa SMB on how they gonna use them. Kailangan nila ng point guard eh. Inalis nila si Wami for a shooting guard, tapos ipapag-transition nila into point guard na mawawala yung kanyang usual na shots. Kasi kung nag-trade sila, it's not about a matter of fit, it's the name. Top 5 and BPC race, tapos ita-trade sa bench, diba? And maybe the basketball gods are doing something we don't know. Sa second game, mainit pa rin si Olta from the last game. 3-point shot para sa first points ng Ginebra at Rainer Shine. And I like this one for coaching na sa wakas, ginawa niya ng resident starter si Nokum. Kasi paulit-ulit tayo dito sa channel, hindi talaga maganda yung nangyayari kung galing siyang bench. Yes, masaya tayong lahat, binibigyan niya ng chance to shine. Pero sana this time, merong exemption kay Nokum kasi baka masayang yung ceiling eh. And eto na nga, back-to-back puntos para sa kanya. And for Ginebra, ibang klase din talaga yung bitaw ng kanilang import, hitting back-to-back 4-point shots. Kaso mukhang mawiwili yan eh to take all his shots dito sa malayo. Grabe na rin yung cover kay RJ Abarientos this conference, pero with that, lumalabas naman yung kanyang vision for his passes. Isaac go for the 2 points. And speaking of vision, Andre Karakot is evolving his game. A lot of nice passes from him. Sa second quarter, pupunta ang Rainer Shine sa kanilang import using Villegas to drag a possible interior help is kaya na to ni Fuller if solo coverage. Here, may expose yung bad Abarientos defense. Tao ni Riley si Chongson, pero mag-help siya, tapos babalik kay Chongson yung bola. Then si RJ will get Chongson, pero hindi naman siya mag-fully commit, kaya nagkalituhan sila ni Riley kung sino ba talaga yung kukuha. And ayun, he pulls up for the 2 points. Sa third quarter, Stephen Holt will go under against Nokum and he paid the price for the 3-point shot. Tsaka ang ganda ng ginawa ng Ross dito. Villegas will be open for the 3-point shot. Sana tuloy-tuloy na talaga yan para worth it yung pag-aantay sa'yo. Hanggang sa inatake ng Ross yung paint and using Fuller to be the recipient and one. Then Holt will lose this ball. Another Fuller basket and hindi na nakabangon yung Ginebra dito. Takeaways natin is Rainer Shan just played their game, made Nocum a consistent starter to find his groove early, na-expose yung pagiging bad health defending team ng Ginebra. And for the Gen Kings, yun nga, nawili si Riley to take shots from the outside. Only 5 attempts sa 2-point area, 8 attempts sa 4-point area. So, your game will be different talaga. Tsaka bumalik na naman yung babad system ni Coach Tim. 46 minutes sa import, gumagamit lang talaga siya ng bench if meron silang malaking lamang no, pag mga smaller teams. And so far, it's been a struggle for RJ this conference after being the best player last conference. So, syempre, nagpaplano na yung mga team sa kanya and he needs to play better defense. And that's all for this video. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Ego Noob. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Sorry, I'm late.